Hello, welcome to ISE 2020. We have a number of new products at this show. We have a new little baby, which is our 1120 fully digital amplifier with our room correction technology called RoomPerfect. It handles all digital formats up to 384 kilohertz. It handles streaming, Spotify, and every conceivable format. It even has crossover for running subwoofers and mid-high speakers separately with time correction, phase, frequency correction, and so on. So it is a tiny product that is just as advanced as our most advanced systems. Our website is lyngdorf.com, Lyngdorf.com.